guys, welcome to my channel. I have a silly squishy packaging. I hope you like this video. And this is my first silly squishy packaging. I got 4 squishies. They call it really expensive. This is my first one. I really opened it because I did not want to show you, so this is first peek. I got this coffee bean and it's a banana. Strawberry sprinkles. Get a tag. And I got this green Matilda. It's a peach. And I like it so much. So I really wanted one. So I got one. Finally. I got this marshmallow that feels like a marshmallow. And it's slow. Last one. I'm going too fast, but not too fast. I really want an extra. Got this coffee. That's the banana. And this one's soft. All of these are soft. But this one it's not kind because it's not. And that's all, guys. And don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and give us a big thumbs up. Bye!